टूट गए।
कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय वंशाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। निष्ठलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद महाराज एवं निष्ठलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद नारायण कृष्ण महाराज की अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत करके स्थापना धन्यवाद एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा राजू हम लोग सनातन शिक्षा से तो श्रवण कर रहे थे जिसमें चैतन्य महाप्रभु स्वयं सनातन कृष्ण पाद के उपलक्ष्य करके समग्र कमिटियां प्रयोजन करके बारे में बताया जिसमें हम लोग कृष्ण संबंध।
So we're talking about Krishna Sambandh, Bhakti Aviday and the Prem Prayojan. 22nd chapter we were studying. We were talking about Sadhana Bhakti, Sadhana Bhakti, Bhava Bhakti and Prem Bhakti. There are two kinds of Bhakti, Vedi and Raganuga. We were hearing about Raganuga Bhakti.
ऐसे कृष्ण के नित्य परिवर्तन की भावमाधुर्य आदि कथा श्रवण करके और वही भावमाधुर्य आदि प्राप्ति के लिए हृदय में जो लोभ उत्पन्न होता है और उस लोभ के अनुसार उनके अनुगत में सेवा की भावना करते हैं। जिस कथा कृष्ण भगवान ने श्रवण किया ये कैसे हमारे हृदय में लोभ उत्पन्न हो जिसके बारे में हमने कारण लोभ साधारण लोगों के द्वारा साधारण लोग के द्वारा वस्तु प्राप्ति करना संभव है। कैसे लोग होना चाहिए? साधारण लोग लक्ष्मी देवी के लोग तो नहीं कथा के सब लोग हो जाते रसगुल्ला देख करके बात सुन करके किसके खाने के लिए किसके लोग नहीं होता किंतु लोग होना एक बड़ी बात नहीं है। तो गाढ़ लोग होना चाहिए जिससे हम उसके बिना हम नहीं रह सकते। उसे प्राप्ति करना ही पड़ेगा जिसके लिए सब कुछ तय होता है। लक्ष्मी तो लाभ लोग हुआ फिर उसमें गाढ़ लोग नहीं हुआ इनका सूल लाभी प्राप्त नहीं हुआ प्रेमो नहीं कृष्णा नहीं। इसलिए कृष्णा से शर्त जो रखा लक्ष्मी देवी के निकट
So Krishna has a condition to ask Lakshmi Devi that if you worship, what Krishna said to Lakshmi Ji, that so first you have to give up the Brahmani Avinam, ego like that I am Brahmani. So second you have to take the birth in the womb of gopis.
और फिर
and then
गोपी शरीर प्राप्त हो
you have to you will get the gopi sharir.
मेरे रास लगा
So by the bodies of Lakshmi you cannot enter in the Ras Leela.
लक्ष्मी जी यहीं पर पहले अटक गई
So Lakshmi Devi was stuck here first time.
लक्ष्मी देवी
So
कृष्ण रास
in the Chaitanya Charitamrita it is mentioned that Lakshmi ji wants that she would like to enter in the Ras Leela with this same body,
कृष्ण की जो रास में प्रवेश करना चाहते हैं
but it is not possible.
कृष्ण ने क्या
But Krishna said,
कृष्ण के आमी गोप जाति
Krishna said, I am the Gop Jati. So without the Gopi, I will not accept another caste.
कुछ नहीं करो
So whatever you do, without the Gopis caste, you cannot enter in the Ras Leela. So Krishna is saying here, I am the Gop Jati. That's why. So left Gopi, I cannot accept anyone else.
विशेष करके
Especially if you want to enter in the Madhurya Ras, so this is kinds of speciality you must need. You must have.
कृष्ण के आमी गोप जाति
So that's why Krishna was saying, I am the Gop Jati. So without the Gopi, I cannot accept any other else caste.
दूसरी है
And the second is,
गोपी शरीर फिर गोपों के साथ विवाह
then first Gopi share bodies, and then after you have to get married with the Gop. If you are not,
भाव से
so if you are not got married, then you cannot enjoy the Ras Leela without the Parkya Bhav. There will be no Parkya Bhav happen here.
जिसमें मेरे प्रति तुम्हारे प्रबल अनुराग उत्पन्न हो
So by that, separation, you will get the
अनुराग के जो लक्षण में बताया
deep love towards in your heart for me.
परस्परानु स्नेह बंधनम दूसरे के साथ स्नेह के द्वारा जो बंधन होता है अनुबंधन
So the tiredness for each other is just like but
लक्ष्मी देवी
Lakshmi Devi was not accepting these all things. She was not adhikari. She was
कहाँ जितने लोग हो जाए कहाँ प्रवेश करता है
so.
इसलिए अपने वास्तव ये है
So the thing is, in fact, the thing is,
लक्ष्मी देवी जो है अधिकारी
the Lakshmi Devi is not adhikari. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Mahaprabhu is saying when Mahaprabhu was staying who was serving the Lakshmina, the banquet bhatta.
उनके साथ ही विचार
So Mahaprabhu thinking about him,
महाप्रभु ने कहा
banquet bhatt.
ये तुम लोग लक्ष्मी देवी
I don't know what.
क्यों करते हो
I just heard it.
हमारे का इष्टदेव कृष्ण है
किसके यहाँ पर रहते कुछ बैंकट भट्ट नाम क्या था बैंकट भट्ट
वेंकट भट्ट के घर में महाप्रभु
yeah, he was staying in the banquet who was the father of Gopal Bhatta, Bankat Bhatt, so who was serving Lakshmi Narayan.
हैं?
ये दो भाई थे या तीन भाई थे?
तीन भाई
They were three brothers.
एक प्रबोधन सरस्वती इंदिरा
First is Prabodhanand Saraswati, second is Bankat Bhatt,
और वेंकट भट्ट
Trimandla Bhatt. They were three brothers, and Bankat Bhatt had his son. His name is Gopal Bhatt. Actually, Mahaprabhu stayed in house in Damodar month.
के साथ जो है यही वार्तालाप
So Mahaprabhu did this conversation with him
के साथ ही नारी है
because your Lakshmi Devi is Sati Satvi Nari.
इतने क्यों उत्कंठित होती है
So why she is so much excited to meet with Krishna? That's why.
मजाक क्यों करे
So why are you joking? They said.
ध्यान के अनुसार भगवान
According to the Siddhanta, there is no Krishna and Narayan same.
है इसमें नारायण में कि कृष्ण में आकृष्ट है उसमें अपने शरीर का नष्ट नहीं होता तो
हाँ.
महाप्रभु एक बात तो सही है किंतु देखो श्रुतियां तो तपस्या किया
So the Shruti Yadu who did austerities in the Gopal Tapani Upanishad, it is saying
करने के लिए
for getting the Krishna, the Shruti did austerity,
कर दिया
but they got it. Why Lakshmi didn't get that? Why? What is the reason?
तब ये लोग चक्कर आ गए
So then Bankat Bhatt got fainted because they were okay.
तब इस समय जो महाप्रभु स्वयं
Then at that time Mahaprabhu told all the stories.
कल्याण के काल उनकी पत्नी नाम पत्नी की स्तुति में था लक्ष्मी की भी था लक्ष्मी की यही था एक तो
Lakshmi had this kinds of ego that I won't give up. I will in the background.
सर्वप्रथम नारायण की वो दासी।
So she is the servant of Narayan at Vaikuntha.
इसलिए
That's
और
why
दूसरी बात,
the second is,
लक्ष्मी देव में वो
so
रासलीला प्रवेश करना
it is not possible to enter in the Ras Leela in the body, Lakshmi's body. So Krishna said, no,
आमी गोप जाति
I am the Gopi Jati. I am the Gop Jati. So without Gopi, I will not accept anyone else. So you have to be Gopi.
की एक विशेष वैशिष्ट्य।
This is the speciality of Krishna.
तो जो निमित्त जन्म जो बताया था उससे तो केवल पहली प्रकार के लोग होने से मिल जाएगा।
So first I said that if you have the greed, that you can get that. But now he is saying,
पर ही मिलेगा।
if you will not get without an inconceivable loving potency, you must need the inconceivable loving potency. So seeing the,
और विशेष करके राधा जी के विपुल कुमार दशरथ जी देखा।
so especially they have seen the love of gopis and especially Srimati Radharani.
देखो और अंत में कृष्ण
At last Krishna, he did so much Stuti.
आसामो चरण जाम वृंदावन की विद्रुम रतो सीजना ना जी 6 श्लोक के तरह एक करके बताया। इतने सुंदर को बंदे नंदना साध रे विष्णुशा जासर भरी कतो तो पुनाति भुवना। कितने सुंदर सुंदर अच्छे अच्छे श्लोक स्तुति आदि करते।
There are many beautiful shlokas in Stuti. Still, Uddhav didn't get that.
हाँ माधुर्य देख करके भी जी लोग हो जाए तथापि नहीं होगा।
So seeing the Mahamadhurya, you will get the love, the greed in your heart. It's not possible.
वो पोटेंशियल बना है।
So you must have the inconceivable loving potency.
उद्धव देव में उनके गोपी भाव
So in the bodies of Uddhav, he cannot get the Gopi Bhav. It is not possible.
और उद्धव भी रहे ही नहीं।
And Uddhav, he didn't stay too much in there.
जब तक कृष्ण
When Krishna,
द्वारका में रहे, कृष्ण वृंदावन में है।
when Krishna was staying in Dwarika and Mathura, so Uddhav was not staying in the Vrindavan.
महाभागवती के जब छोड़ करके कृष्ण चले गए,
When Krishna has left this kinds of Mahabhagavat,
कौन सा दिन के बोले?
Krishna has left this kinds of Mahabhagavat.
इसलिए उतना कृष्ण
उद्धव।
पाली का पुत्रा उद्धव स्वयं कहने लगे।
Uddhav said,
अभी जब कृष्ण मथुरा के लिए पालन पोषण कर रहे हैं,
Uddhav who is taking, the Krishna who is taking care of Mathura,
इसलिए उन्होंने क्या की इतना स्तव स्तुति आदि
he did so much Stab Stuti.
और फिर
And then
मथुरा आ गए और मथुरा से द्वारका
then he returned back to Mathura, and then
जब अंतर्ध्यान होने
when
के बाद
when Krishna, Vrindavan Krishna disappeared.
अरे, क्या बोलते जब
Huh?
नहीं,
उद्धव
ये प्रोग्राम
to gopis.
ये खेती जब हाँ सूर्या चुन गई खेत
तब पछतावत होता है.
हाँ, बस है कृष्ण हाल करके खेत को जो दे दिया
When a farmer did the plowing the field and he put the seeds in the ground and it was raining, it was no raining. So what happened? All the seeds, the birds had feed that. Then again the rain, then again it was raining. Then what's the use of that? Because there is no seeds now, because already it is taken by the birds. So that's why Uddhav was thinking like that. It is also saying, then the same Uddhav is behind the Kusum Sarovar. Uddhav Kyari, he is doing so much austerity there. Gurudev used to say in the Uddhav Kund, one grass is just like a one birth of austerity of Uddhav. So the Katha we were discussing about, now we come to that. In fact, so Prem is have a two very higher stage. That's why it is saying,
जहाँ विदे पाई कृष्ण प्रेम भान एक पहिनु अविद्या विवरण अविद्या साधन भक्ति एवे सुन सनातन संक्षेप कलिन विस्तार न जाय वर्णन अविद्या प्रिय सारण भक्ति सुने जई जन अचिरात पाय श्री कृष्ण प्रेमोधन सिरो रघुनाथ परियादास चैतन्य चरितामृत कहे कृष्ण दास चैतन्य महाप्रभु का देवी सनातन प्रेम के जो अंकुर उसके रति कहा जाता है।
So the sprouts of love is called rati. So when the rati becomes turned into it's glorified, so that is called love. So the first stage of love is rati. So here we are already reached the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. He is distributing this kinds of bhav to the words. Anarpita charancharat karunavita kalo. Sachinandan Gaur Hari, for the worldly jivas, for the welfare of them, he was distributing the love. Even Pashu Pashi and the animals, birds, and then the mosquitoes and the the creatures, he was giving to everybody. He was not discriminating from anybody. Krishna, it is said that Krishna gave the love to the Vrindavan only. But Mahaprabhu, what Mahaprabhu did, he distributed love everywhere. Just like a cloud, he never think about that. Where should I do the rain? Wherever the mountains or the sea, in the desert, on the fields, wherever they goes, I'll be where they do rain. In the same way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, for the welfare of the society of the Jagat Jiva, he has distributed the love everywhere. He didn't discriminate. Kalo. In this Kali Yuga, he is distributing the love by the mercy. So in this avatar, he didn't think who is qualified or non-qualified. So whoever is seen, he has distributed the love. This is the Mahaprabhu's nature. So whoever he is seen, he distributed the love. So he didn't think about the adhikar or anadhikar. That's why he was saying the compassion of incarnation of compassion. Krishna Naam Nikar Krishna. The same Krishna in the Gaur Avatar. So taking the Bhavakanti of Srimati Radhika Rani, so he became so much merciful, merciful and so very very merciful. That's why he was Namo Mahavadanyaya. This is the speciality of Mahaprabhu. First he relish or taste that ras, and after that he is distributed to all. How Karunamaya Mahaprabhu is very very compassionate. Who will be Dayalu, the merciful like Mahaprabhu? Before Mahaprabhu there was so much man incarnation there, but nobody distributed the love like him. So that's why Mahaprabhu distributing to everybody. He was not discriminating. Even who doesn't want to take, who's running, Mahaprabhu chasing them and distributing the love. Oh, come, take the love. This is the speciality of Mahaprabhu. How Mahavadanya, very very compassionate. He is very broad-hearted. Mahaprabhu giving to everybody. Who is Adhikari, he is giving to them. But he is not. Who is not Adhikari, still he is giving to them too. So if somebody is eligible or not eligible, still he is giving to them. Oh, take, live, take a lot, as much as you can. This is the specialty of Mahaprabhu, just like he is distributing the milk. Oh, somebody is distributing the dupe, so he suddenly doesn't have the pot. Is still somebody has the pot, so he is distributing in that. And if somebody doesn't have the pot, is still he is giving the pot and take. Oh, milk take and pot take, both of take. So that's why Mahaprabhu is like he's distributing the love. Who is eligible, they are taking. Who is not eligible, still he is making them eligible and then providing the love. So Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is saying, how beautiful. Radha Adattam Hero.
अपने प्रेमामृत गुप्त वित्त जो है जो पहले किसको नहीं दिया गया.
It is not who has not given earlier.
ब्रह्मा जी के एक दिन
In the day of Brahma, before that it was not given to everybody.
1000
Chaturyug. So in the Brahma's one day there are 1000 Chaturyug. So before 1000 Chaturyug or Brahma's one day, it has been not given to anyone. So that's why in the same, so Mahaprabhu, in the incarnation of Mahaprabhu, it was given to everybody. So earlier it was not given to anybody. So the Mahaprabhu, who is so much merciful, so the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is so much merciful, who is distributing to love to all. That's why I am paying my humble obeisance to Mahaprabhu. So the topmost prem, Madhurima, he first tastes it's himself. What is that? Before the Mahaprabhu, so nobody glorified the Manjari Bhav. Nobody glorified the Manjari Bhav. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Priya Sakhi, Pran Priya Sakhi. There are 5 kinds of Sakhis. Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi or Pran Sakhi. There are second and third numbers part of numbers. Bhav is Manjari's Bhav. So this Bhav was distributed by the Mahaprabhu. Nobody has heard the katha about Manjaris. In any other sampradaya, you will not hear that. Before the Mahaprabhu, Vidyapati Chandidas, there are many kinds of great Rasikacharya were available. They told the katha of Prem Braha, the separation and love, but it is true. But really bol. So Mahaprabhu by the Rup Goswami Pad, so he distributed this Prem Madhurya of Manjari Bhav. This is we can't describe that. And then the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what he is saying, I would like to distribute to everybody. Even this is Kali Yuga. In this Kali Yuga, this is so in this Kali Yuga, the human is very niche, very rascal. So in this Kali Yuga, this human beings are full of faults. So Mahaprabhu himself is distributing this love to all the jivas. So what Mahaprabhu is doing by the purification of them and making them capable. So after that, he is providing them. He is distributing the love. So what is that purification? That is Trunadapi Sunichena. Mahaprabhu, in this way, he is making once capable.
अहंकार को क्या करते हैं? सब चरणार्थ करते हैं।
Mahaprabhu himself distributing all, Mahaprabhu himself destroying all the egoness and making the person capable like him. Pranadapi Sunichain. So by the performing Nam Sankirtan, everything is possible. In the same amount you will go chant the holy name spontaneously. In the same variation you will get, your heart will be clear and you will get all kinds of Tattva Gyan. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, in this Anubhashi was writing how we can be Pranadapi Sunichain, so humble. So having these kinds of 4 qualities, you cannot enter in the bhakti. What kind of that? What 4 qualities? First, you have to, if you have taken the richest birth in the richest family, education, roop you in the beautifulness, the handsomeness, and the monies. So if you have these kinds of ego, so it's very hard to enter in the bhakti rajya. But in the how much amount you will chant the holy name, in the same amount you will be humble. So if you think that I am very unqualified, everybody is qualified, I am ayogya, that's why our Gaudiya Vaishnava, that's why in our Gaudiya Vaishnava we always speak, everybody is Prabhu after name. Prabhu. We always used to speak the Prabhu after the name. Ramanand is higher. Ramanand, he is my Prabhu. And I am the servant. I am the das. They don't think that I am the highest. Huh? You had the 3G, what happened? Everybody is working, everybody is doing performing bhajan, but I am not performing bhajan. Hi, hey Bhagwan, beta bhajan karo. When I will do perform bhajan? The name, as much as you chant the holy name, so you will say everywhere, oh how they all are serving, all are doing performing bhajan and sadhana. Our Prabhuji used to get up at 1 or 2 o'clock, and I feel sorrow in my heart that they are very old age and they are getting up at 2 o'clock and 1 a.m. and they are sweeping and I am sleeping. Oh, I am ashamed, feeling like ashamed. So this is the previous birth impression that they are serving in the temple. So they are serving in the temple and I am sleeping. So wherever you see, you will see that the highest feeling for them. You will see everybody, they are all higher than me. So you will get this kind of feeling in your heart. In the same variation you name. I am not performing bhajan. So this is the symptoms. This is Mahaprabhu saying, if the tree is full of fruits, it will bend down. It will bend down towards earth. In the same way, so when you get this kinds of feeling in your heart, Saranadapi Sunichain, spontaneously you will be bent down. There is no need to speak. It is not a stick, bamboo, that you can fold it, you can mold it. Do you understand what I said? If you can mold the ripe. No, you can raw bamboo. And when it is ripe, you cannot mold that. So the meaning is my meaning to say, when the same variation you will, the amount you will perform bhajan and sadhan, in the same variation you will be humble. So Nam is sadhan and sadhya himself. What I said? Nam is sadhan and sadhya himself. So the amount you will chant the holy name in the same variation, you will be humble. You will get Nishta Ruchi in your heart, spontaneously you will be humble. So what's my mean to say, Mahaprabhu? So how he make the capable to everybody? By the Trinadapi Sunichain. Our Gaur Govind Goswami Maharaj, he said, he written
तो कैसे दिया
that how Mahaprabhu make all the people capable by the Tranadapi Sunichena.
आपको बिना विष्णु ही बना
They will make you Tranadapi Sunichena, very very humble. Tarorapi Saishuna, Amananiya Manade, Kirtaniya Sadahari. Always chant the holy name. Then we will get the capability. विचारी किछु नाही पाए तुम्हारो करुणा कार्य हरे ना कांदिया कांदिया करुणा ना होइले कांदिया कांदिया
जब कोई प्रथम ब्रह्मचारी आते हैं ना वो दिगंबरी से
when I was newly at the mud actually there was a there was a brahmachari came into the mud who was very highly educated, was MA PhD. So when he came into the mud, so he said he was crying when he was singing this bhajan. So I asked him that why are you crying. He said I'm very highly educated and they are sweeping me the mud. They are giving me the service of sweeping. So he was thinking like that. He's getting the meaning that I'm so much educated and still what I'm doing, I'm cleaning the temple. So I'm cleaning the temple. This is my not the yogita. This is not the capability. I have the capability to on the higher post. So I must be the pujari and all. So who will speak about? Who will speak to me? Janeo. So people they should give me the sacred thread so that I can worship in the temple in the Garbhagriha. Then who will take care of me? Nobody will take care of me. So that's why he was saying this kinds of bhajan. So in fact what happened gradually when you get the association of Vaishnav, so you will realize that is all things, that what is real compassion is. Premadhana. In the morning I was telling you about, yes. Bhavishyat, yes. So Mahaprabhu said himself, when this day comes that I will cry, so taking your name, chanting your name, so my heart will be filled up and my eyes will be filled up with tears. The tears will flow out from my eyes. When I will get the goosebumps in my body, when my throat will be choked, I'm chanting the holy name. I cannot chant even the Krishna. When I chant the Krishna, so the throat will be choked. My eyes will be filled up with tears. Goosebumps will be on my body. So when this day will come, when it will happen in my body, when the day will come, then I will think that I am chanting something, I am doing some chanting. It is mentioned in the Srimad Bhagavatam. So after chanting the holy name, we are not getting these kinds of symptoms. So what we should think, that I have so many aparadh, so many offenses. Diktan, shame on me, ashamed on me. Hey Bhagwan. So what is I mean to say? So Krishna Kaviraj Goswami in this shloka Anirpit Characharata. How beautiful Shulok is this? Very nice. So Mahaprabhu, his secret money, hidden money, he is distributing to everybody. That's why Mahaprabhu, Mahabhadan. That's why we used to say him, Chanada Pisuni Chena. So he was telling about the glorification of name in the Bhaktisiddhanta Anubhashya. So then the amount you will chant the name in the same variation you will get. The name will become you, Nada Pisuni chain. And you are chanting and still you are getting the against fruit. So means you are committing aparadh or you have aparadh. So if you are taking the medicine and your disease is not getting decreased, it means the medicine is not working properly. The medicine is not working properly. The ratio, do's and don'ts. So it means which is not prohibitable for taking medicine after just let's suppose that you have cough. So you have been given the cough syrup and still the doctor told you don't to take curd, yogurt. Do's and don'ts होता है ना? Do's and don'ts. Restrictions. You are taking medicine and still you are not following the rules and regulation. What the doctor told you. So that's why if you are chanting the name and you are having so much aparadh, so we should focus on that, on offenses, on aparadh. That's why Mahaprabhu, so being so much humble and mercifully, he is distributing. He was making us so capable for that how we can become the Trinada Visunachana. That's why now Bhaktivinoda Thakur is doing a kirtan. When this day will come, when I will chant the pure Harinam, when I will take the holy name without all the offenses. It is only possible by the mercy of your Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Until we not get the inconceivable mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, so we cannot enter in the Bhakti Raja, we cannot get this kinds of feeling. So Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying how our heart will be pure. Very, very, very nice katha is here. How we'll get the rati first. Then after the rati, then the feelings will come, the bhav. Then how prem we develop. So the Swarup Lakshana, Tadar Lakshana. So we will describe about this. Now the time is over. Now I am going to complete it. Shuddha Sattva Vishedatma Premanadva. This is all description. So how we will get the bhav, what is the procedure, what is the definition of that. So I will describe all the things once I conclude. Vaishnavi Namo Namah. Hare Krishna. Thank you for tolerating me. Jai Shri Krishna.